Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial using Esquido products. So I already did my brows off camera, so I'm going to start using the color Fudge from the Subculture palette. So I want to start with a little bit of this because it can get really messy, as you guys will see here shortly in the video. I'm taking a Morphe brush and kind of using windshield wiper and small circular motions to blend this from the outer edge of my eye to the inner corner in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the color Dawn, and I'm going to use this as my base color. I'm using the brush from the Subculture palette to blend this on my natural lips base. Next, I'm going to take the color Fudge and I'm going to use this pointed tip liner to apply the eyeshadow. I'm going to blend this up into my crease using a fluffy brush. For primer, I'm actually going to use this cream highlighter in the color Opal from Becca Cosmetics. I'm not even sure if they make this anymore, but I just love the effect it gives my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and tight line using the same gel liner that we used before. I'm going to use this to tight line underneath and to do my waterline for the top and the lower. For foundation, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and for concealer, I'm using the Morphe Full Coverage Concealer. For contour, I just mixed 2 of the Wet n Wild foundation sticks, and then I blend that out with a slanted brush, and then I use my Sonia Kashuk Baby Beauty Blender to blend out the highlight. For bronzer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and then going over that with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the color Tan. For blush, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. Went back in with some setting spray. On top of that, I'm going to do mascara and prep my lashes. For lashes, I'm using that same gel crayon in the color brown for my bottom lashes. My falsies are from the Merlot Collection in the style Sangiovese. More mascara for the bottom lashes. The highlight is from MAC Cosmetics in the color Gold Deposit. For lips, I'm using the color Stripped from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just lining it with a little bit of brown liner. For lip gloss, I'm using the color PG Teens from Narcissistic. And that's about it. Thanks guys so much for watching this week's video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. I think we should rule out